Well, bust my binding. They're little rose bushes with...
White potato roses? Meow! But according to the royal rule, there has to be red. Well, what do the guards do when there are white roses?
Run and hide so the queen doesn't get mad?
They paint them red, and we can do the same with these potato roses. Some red beet food coloring ought to do it. There. Huevos habaneros, fit for a queen. Captain Dodo is going to love all this.
Especially the huevos habaneros. I can't wait to have one of these tasty tomatoes.
Tomatoes? But those are potatoes.
I can't wait either.
What do you think, Your Heartness?
I think she likes it.
Nay! What in Wonderland? Nay! 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 Nay!
Mi corazón!
Nay!
Oh no! I haven't seen my daughter horse around like this since she was a little girl.
Mama's acted like this before?
Sí, mijita. It only happens when she eats potatoes. But there's no potatoes in huevos habaneros.
But the recipe called for potatoes. Right, Hattie and Fergie? Well, you see.
Niños, it's time to lay your cards on the table. Tell us what happened.
We lost the recipe.
But we remembered the recipe mostly. We just mixed up tomatoes with potatoes.
No, we're sorry. We shouldn't have horsed around with the recipe card. We need to find a way to make this wrong recipe right. And fast. The queen can't greet Captain Dodo if she's horsing around.